Product Simple Taste 4-in-1 Milk Frother Steamer. Hey coffee lovers, I have to tell you about my new favorite kitchen gadget, the Simple Taste 4-in-1 Milk Frother Steamer. This thing is an absolute game changer for turning your kitchen into your own personal cafe. What truly blew me away is how quickly it goes from regular milk to the most incredible creamy foam. Seriously, velvety lattes, cappuccinos, and even luxurious hot cocoa are ready in seconds. It's not just a frother. It has amazing 4-in-1 versatility, allowing you to froth, steam, or simply heat your milk, all with one compact device. It's got a great capacity, so you're not constantly refilling, which is perfect for busy mornings or making a round of drinks. Plus, cleaning it is super easy. My daily coffee ritual has been totally upgraded. If you want cafe-quality drinks at home, this is definitely it.
Product Cold Brew Coffee Maker Mason Jar Pitcher. If you're a fan of smooth, delicious cold brew, you'll want to hear about this coffee maker. It's built around a sturdy mason jar pitcher made from heavy-duty, food-grade soda lime glass. This means no worries about breaking or any plastic affecting your drink's pure taste. It's perfectly sized for compact fridge storage, too. What makes your brew so good is the high-quality multi-purpose mesh filter inside. It expertly keeps coffee grounds out, ensuring a consistently smooth taste. But it's not just for coffee. You can filter fruit pits or tea leaves for fantastic iced tea or other beverages. The filter is also removable if you just want to use the durable pitcher. A sturdy sealing system keeps everything fresh and leak-proof, isolating your drinks from outside odors. You'll always have delicious homemade cold brew ready to enjoy. Product Geniza Electric Food Processor Chopper. Hey everyone, if you're tired of endless chopping for meals, this little gadget is a total game changer. I'm talking about the Geniza Electric Food Processor Chopper. Don't let its compact size fool you. This thing has serious multitasking power. From onions to nuts, it chops, slices, and minces perfectly in seconds, just one press of a button. Seriously, quick food prep just became effortless. I love that it comes with dual bowls, making cleanup or switching ingredients a breeze. Plus, it has enhanced safety features, which is always a relief, and a long-life motor, so you know it's built to last. It handles all those smaller jobs where a big processor is overkill. You'll honestly wonder how you ever managed without this kitchen helper. It's truly a fantastic time saver for everyday meal prep. Product Oku Pineapple Corer Slicer Tool. Hey everyone, if you love fresh pineapple but dread the prep, the Oku Pineapple Corer Slicer Tool is your new best friend. It features a durable stainless steel blade, much stronger than plastic, making perfect, even rings and bite-sized pieces in seconds. Cutting pineapples transforms from a chore into pure fun. Imagine the time saved prepping fruit for jam, or easily freezing and canning slices. It's ideal for whipping up a quick cake or pie for any gathering. Plus, no more expensive pre-cut fruit. This tool lets you enjoy fresh pineapple and save money. Cleaning up is a cinch. Its detachable design rinses off easily, dries fast. Here's a tip. Use a bowl underneath to catch juice for even less mess. This gadget truly simplifies fresh fruit enjoyment. Product Gista Adjustable Wood Rolling Pin. Hey everyone, let me show you why the Gista Adjustable Wood Rolling Pin is a game changer for your kitchen. Uneven dough is history with this pin, making prep effortless for perfectly even results every time. It's all about precise thickness control. You get 5 size options, ideal for any baking project. And here's the best part, built-in measurement markers. This highly requested feature, thanks to 95% of your feedback, eliminates guesswork for accuracy. Its sleek, handle-free French-style design also offers enhanced dough control. Crafted from durable, water-resistant teak, it glides effortlessly through sweet or savory dough. Imagine perfectly even crusts, pasta, or cookies. You'll love the professional finish it brings to all your homemade treats. Product Vinci Hands-Free Electric Citrus Juicer. Hey everyone, if you're like me and love fresh citrus juice but dread the effort, you need to see this. This is the Vinci Hands-Free Electric Juicer, and it's a total game changer for your daily routine. Seriously, no more hand cramping from manual juicing. You simply place your orange, lemon, or lime, press a button, and it does all the work. It's truly hands-free and so effortless. My mornings are completely transformed because getting fresh juice is now incredibly simple. It's surprisingly quiet while still being incredibly powerful, extracting every last drop. And cleanup? A total breeze. This juicer is a countertop essential for any citrus lover. You'll honestly wonder how you ever lived without it once breakfast becomes this effortless.
Product: Oatstar Multi-Jar Opener for Seniors. Hey everyone, if you've ever battled with a stubborn jar lid, this Oatstar Multi-Jar Opener is a total game changer. It's truly multi-purpose, designed to grip lids of all sizes. You get effortless leverage and a firm, non-slip grip, making opening anything frustration-free. This isn't just one tool, it's a 6-in-1 wonder. The 8 circular openings easily handle small to medium lids, from 1 to 3 inches. And those clever hooks, they break the airtightness on large lids and even pop open tricky ring pull cans. The long handle provides excellent leverage, and the rubber lining ensures your hands stay secure. It delivers ultimate convenience, saving your hands and bringing ease to your kitchen. Perfect for seniors and anyone who values simplicity.
Product: Stasher Silicone Reusable Food Storage Bags. Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about something that's totally changed my kitchen. Stasher Reusable Silicone Bags. If you're tired of single-use plastic, these are a game changer. They're amazing for everything from packing snacks for work to storing leftovers. What I really love is the leak-proof seal. No more worrying about spills in my bag or fridge. These aren't just for food either. Their versatility is incredible. Great for toiletries when traveling or even organizing small items. They're super durable, built to last years, which is fantastic for reducing waste. Plus, they're dishwasher and microwave safe, making daily use so easy. It's safe food storage you can feel good about. Stasher bags are a must-have for an eco-friendlier lifestyle.
Product: Ultra Blade Pro Electric Can Opener. Here's the Ultra Blade Pro Electric Can Opener. This advanced CansLab Pro model brings power, brains, and beauty to your kitchen. Can opening becomes effortless with its true one-touch operation. One press and it works automatically, shutting off when complete. This frees your hands. It's truly set and forget. You'll love the smooth edges it leaves every time, with a magnetic lid lift too. No more AA batteries needed. It's USB rechargeable with a 2000 mAh battery that opens around 120 cans. That's 4 times more than AA types, making it cost-effective for home or camping. Compact and easy to store, this tool makes can opening safe and effortless for everyone. You'll wonder how you managed without it.
Product: Homarden Vegetable Spiralizer 5-Blade. Hey everyone, check out the Homarden Vegetable Spiralizer 5-Blade. It's truly a game changer for getting creative with veggies. Built with industrial-grade durability from high-quality stainless steel, this kitchen essential is designed to last. Plus, its industrial-strength suction cups ensure super stable operation on any surface. You'll love the 5 precision blades, so easy to swap for making perfect zucchini noodles, spiralized potatoes, or beautiful ribbon-cut veggies. This really makes healthy eating feel effortless and fun. It's designed for incredibly intuitive operation and is such a breeze to clean. And with its compact design, it fits perfectly in any kitchen. This spiralizer will inspire endless delicious meals. Product: Silicone Stretch Lids, 14-pack. Tired of plastic wrap and kitchen waste? These 14-pack silicone stretch lids are the smart, must-have solution. They effortlessly cover all shapes of bowls, cups, and containers, sealing in freshness. You get 14 pieces in 7 versatile sizes, from a small 2.6-inch to a generous 9.8 inches. Each lid is conveniently numbered, making it quick to find the perfect fit, so your food stays fresh longer. For that ideal, secure seal, always ensure your container and lid are clean and dry. Just pick the correct size and adjust its position for a snug fit. These flexible, reusable lids truly simplify food storage. They're an upgrade you'll wish you had sooner.
Product: Magnetic Knife Strip Wall Holder. If your kitchen drawers are a mess, this magnetic knife strip wall holder is a total game changer. It instantly frees up counter space and keeps all your cooking tools organized and easy to grab. Made from premium acacia wood with a modern arc style, it's designed to look fantastic in any room. The built-in 2 rows of super strong magnets run through the entire strip, ensuring even your largest knives hang safely and securely. It's ultra sturdy and cleanup is effortless. With its extra long 16 by 2.5-inch surface, it keeps all your gadgets within reach, maximizing space in nooks and crannies. This piece doesn't just store, it truly adds an elegant touch to your kitchen. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Product: Bamboo Cutting Board with Juice Grooves. Upgrade your kitchen prep with Kichi's Bamboo Cutting Board Set. This versatile trio with juice grooves keeps counters clean. From meats to fruits and breads, a perfect size for any task. Beyond just looks, they're incredibly stable and moisture-resistant thanks to a special thermal treatment. This 500-degree Fahrenheit carbonization reduces absorption, giving them a rich, dark hue, a stylish touch for any kitchen. Experience unparalleled durability. A cross-laminated technique with precisely interlocked layers creates a robust structure, resisting warping and cracking. From sustainably harvested bamboo, this elegant set is built to last, functional and beautiful.
Product: Ambilion Automatic Motion Sensor Trash Can. Hey everyone, checking out the Ambilion Automatic Motion Sensor Trash Can. This 15-gallon stainless steel beauty is a total game changer. Just wave your hand and it opens automatically, making cleanup super sanitary and quick, especially during meal prep. No more touching a germy lid. It's completely hands-free. The lid also closes silently after 5 seconds, no jarring noises. Plus, its slim, modern design means it fits perfectly even in smaller kitchens or home offices. It's truly a smart addition that makes daily tasks less messy and more convenient. You'll wonder how you ever managed with this sleek, touchless garbage can. Product: Gorilla Grip Stackable Ice Cube Tray Set. These Gorilla Grip ice trays are seriously amazing. You'll love how effortlessly the cubes release. No more cracking or struggling. It's a convenient 3-in-1 design to make, store, and serve ice, perfect if you don't have an ice maker. This 6-piece set makes a generous 56 cubes, with 2 trays, lids, a bin, and a scoop. The Comfort Grip makes it so easy to twist out ice. They're stackable and save space, ideal for busy freezers. Great for drinks, smoothies, and meal prep. Plus, they're BPA-free, stain-resistant, and dishwasher-safe. Built tough for everyday use. Product: Apple Peeler Core Slicer with Suction Base. Hey everyone! Love apples but dread prep for pies or snacks? This Apple Peeler Core Slicer is a game changer. It peels, cores, and slices apples in one quick motion. Prep time shrinks dramatically. Ideal for families or bakers, making pies and snacks effortless. The sturdy suction base ensures it stays firmly on your counter for safe, reliable operation. Durable materials ensure it lasts. Its versatility is impressive. Beyond apples, it's potato compatible and features adjustable modes for different needs. This gadget simplifies kitchen prep. You'll wish you had it sooner.